This is my #1 tip to help your newborn get latch right after delivery or in that first 24 hours when they're super sleepy. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is you're going to do a little bit of breast massage and kind of start working that colostrum down all the way from your armpits. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hand express. So you're gonna go straight back on either side of the areola, compress and hold, and get a few drops of colostrum on your nipple. Okay, now what you're gonna do is, since you have some colostrum on your nipple, is you are going to do an asymmetrical latch. I love football holds, is my favorite. And you are going to try and latch your baby and bring your baby up and over the nipple and get as much areola and under breast tissue as you can. And this way it acts as a little bit of instant gratification because your colostrum is already on the nipple and you already did the majority of the work for your baby. So they don't have to work as hard doing those first couple of suckles to get those first few drops of colostrum. So this really helps your baby because they can just get right on, suck and taste the colostrum and continue to go. So this is my absolute favorite tip. So every time your baby comes off again, hand express a few more drops and try again. Hand express a few drops and get on again. Even if they don't latch for a long time, at least you know they're getting all those little drops that you're hand expressing, and eventually they're gonna continue to suck, swallow, and continue breastfeeding.